So I didn't film no intro or anything, but we gotta move that car, fix the garage door. That one doesn't have a motor, so I gotta drag it out. That one doesn't run, so I gotta push it. But yeah, it's all good though. Got the MG hooked up. Aha, it's working. Well, what I can do is I could turn to the left a little bit more. And then when I'm about to hit that, I guess just holler. Or what? What you want to do?
All right.
Try it?
Let's try it.
Huh?
Let's try it.
You ready, guy?
Yeah.
Don't worry, guy has AC in here. MG's coming out perfect. More?
What?
Keep on going?
Yeah.
Oh, this is... Video in the sky. It's all good. Yeah. Well, let me turn the steering wheel.
All you gotta do is shorten up the chain.
Uh-huh.
Go that way. It's gonna go this way more. And once we get that, then we'll set it back straight and figure out what we need to do.
All right.
I almost thought about right outside this car.
Oh, you want to put it over there?
Cool. Get over there, because we coming through there,
Yeah.
right?
This is working out great. A little bit more progress. A little sketchy, but you know, we're okay. See how this goes. Now we gotta pull it this way. That's a lot better. No, I ain't doing nothing, man.
Okay. Maybe we should lift this up, put some nails in it. That way we can hit it in that piece right there and set it right underneath. Then come back, literally do the same thing here. But let's nail this on the front. Put that other board back here. Might have to nail it right to here once we get it at the right height.
I want to just take off the whole door.
No. This shit. Hell no, man. Come on.
All right, let's get started. I'm here.
Get it back up once we get there.
I mean, I think we did pretty well, you know.
As far as what?
You know. Is it off the wall?
No, it's not.
No, it ain't. How could that one held on? But, oh no, that's why. Oh shit. Alright. Oh, it's all bent. Well, it's all good. Yeah. It was brand new, Al. It's a couple bolts. I could take them off.
Yeah, take them out, and then that way the whole thing will come out.
Because it's only...
Sit it right out here. Then we can do what we got to do with the car to pull it out, do what we have to do. When we get through, we'll just set the door right in front. Let that be that.
Those are what? 15s? I'll do it from right there. What was that?
Back up a little more. All right, let's go.
I'm not gonna put my camera outside. It's already doing feed. So right there? Yeah, record the progress. Okay. So after hours and hours of fighting, pulled it out. Yeah. Now we gotta put the door back.
This car would be first I gotta decide what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna do an IBEW, and I don't wanna do too much. I wanna let them pay somebody, one of the big ballers to come in and do things from head to toe.
Why?
But if I do it for myself, then that might be different. I do put different stuff on it, I do different things. Because all I'm gonna have it is for like a little street parking. So I probably don't even have to put the airbag, I just need to lower it. I'll put some deep chrome rims on it and have the engine running good. And it could be a 6. But I've got a V8 sitting at the house. ready to get put together, man.
You really want to put that V8 in, huh?
Man, the being is all new pistons, all new valves, all new everything.
This ain't.
Okay? That's why I want to do that.
Oh, man.
All right, let's go on and make this come to an end.
All right. Put the garage back together.
Then all we gotta do is strap this door. You think we can use this
What?
as a nailing point?
I wouldn't even trust it, to be honest with you, man.
Well, we gotta do something. All we're doing is just tacking it. It's
Yeah.
like we're trying to, keep it from getting blown down in the wind.
Yeah. All right, let me put my camera back. I can't do that.
They all break. If I could go back and snatch a couple of the cars I had before, oh my God. The Thunderbird I had.
Yeah, the Thunderbird.
Nice Thunderbird, man. It was a hard top. The interior was pristine. It was black. And it ran like a horse. It was a 390. But I just got my brand new Camaro.
Yeah, the Camaro too.
Brand new Camaro, 3-speed, something, I don't know what it was. Small block Chevy or something. Stick. So I had a lot of fun in that, and I had to get rid of the Thunderbird. I ended up selling the Thunderbird, but that thing was magnificent. It had a huge ass trunk. I could do electrical work out the trunk, everything. I had it going on.
It sounds like a work car, man.
Well, it's the type of car you need to restore. Because that puppy can be bad. If you cut the top off, you know that the interior is way before its time. The interior is like the bottom. That's the one with the sliding over steering wheel. Click, slides over in front of you. Oh, that's the bomb. Let me roll up this cord. I wish I had kept that one. Yeah. Plus I had a 50. I had a 57 Chevy. But I didn't like it because it's like a Bel Air. I wanted the deluxe. Well, really I wanted the 56. But they were a little bit more rare. They were no harder to come by too now that I see. The one thing that's always hard to find. Still hard to find today. A nomad.
Put the hammer on top of the camera. Is it still recording? Hey, it's still recording. That's what I'm talking about. So, I don't even know if you can see me. iPhone crapped out on me, but I brought an old school camera. That's what y'all are looking through right now. I'm not sure how much footage I got before, but this is what I got. That truck got moved. This car got moved. This one got pulled out. That was fun with flat tires. I'm most likely gonna do a will it run on that. Try to get that motor started. And he's talking about putting that V8 in there. But to be honest with you, a 4BT would be fun. I'm just glad he was able to get it out. It was basically the same thing with his 47 Fleet line, and that thing is about through. He's just waiting on getting the body, the motor, the transmission, oh, it's on airbags too. That's gonna be cool. It's actually coming out of the body shop, to be honest with you. I'll do a video on that, and then I'll do progress with this. It took them years. They had been sitting there for so long, but it's all good. I finally convinced them to bring it out. But, man, those people that do wheel it runs, I respect y'all. I respect y'all.